No noise, no lies. Today we're using Activity Launcher along with 120 FPS system tweaks. This method helps access hidden system settings and applies safe performance adjustments. These tweaks don't create fake FPS or break hardware limits. They help improve smoothness and reduce frame drops on supported devices. Follow each step carefully because changing the wrong setting can cause issues. No clickbait FPS, just real system-level optimization. All tweak files and settings are explained inside the video. Links are available in the description below. Watch till the end to avoid mistakes. Now let's start.
Guys, so let's get started. So guys, first open the file manager of your phone. As I am using the data achiever, the alternative file manager. Go to the download folder and go to the downloaded file from the description. Guys, here's the downloaded file. Click view. As you can see that I have provided you two applications, Activity Launcher and 120 FPS speed. Guys, first we will talk about the Activity Launcher. First install it. Wait few seconds to install. Now click open. Guys, click OK. Guys, then go to the setting option and click these two mode. Now go back and wait few seconds. Now go down and click the Android system WebView. Now click main activity and simply click launch activity. Now go to the flex option and simply search for Vulkan. As you can see, here's the Vulkan. Click enable. Now click enable and click enable. You have to enable three options. Okay. Now go back and search for GPU. Yes, you can see that here the GPU option. Now click here enable. Now go down and find the second GPU option. Guys, click this one enabled and click this enabled. Guys, as you can see that I have enabled the hidden options. Now go back. Guys, the last option is left. Guys, now click this enable. Now go back simply and open the data achiever back again. The data achiever. Now you have to use this file. Now open this file, config file. Now multi-select all the files simply without leaving anyone. Now simply click copy this file to the device storage Android folder and make a folder here. Create a new folder com.android.120 fps. 120 fps 120 hertz. As you can see that I created the folder. Now simply paste these files here. Now go back and simply reboot your phone here like this. Now simply reboot your phone. And guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.